Hello, good evening, everyone. Am I audible? Show your thumbs up if you all can hear me. Thumbs up with a great smile. Yes, a great smile on everyone's face. I want to see. Yes. So, first, I will give you full view so that you can clearly see the complete paper. Yeah, it is A4 size paper. And on this, we are going to learn our today's drawing. Thumbs up with smile. We always start our work with smile because we believe that when you will be happy, your work will be happy, right? So, see the artworks and the topics which I'm picking up. These all are highly demanded artworks. Like many parents, they requested, ma'am, these are like a part of diagrams in syllabus in science and Hindi, like which creature collect honey. So they are supposed to draw. And so I decided that's why I'm picking up the kind of topics which could help you for your diagrams. So which creature collect honey? And that is honeybee. Yes, the cute honeybee we will be learning today. Okay, insects, animals, domestic animals, wild animals, different flowers, different trees, abstract art, impression art, clay art, all is waiting for you. So one after another, we will learn all this. So chalo, today we will start with our drawing, and for this we need a circle. So I'm going to use a very common, that is sellotape circle. So if you also have sellotape, take it out because that is perfect size. While reviewing the artwork, many times I've seen like students, they start with a small tiny circle, and what happened, their whole drawing looks very small on big paper. So I will request all of you to please select perfect circle. And the size of circle with which you are going to get started with, it should be perfect. Okay, so please take care of it. So here, this is full view, and the very first thing you will decide how you're going to use your paper. You can see I kept my paper standing position. Come on, turn your file and keep it in standing position. All of you. When we keep our file in standing position, it is called vertically. Come on, repeat this word after me. Vertically. And when we use our paper this way, it is called horizontally. Okay, horizontally. So today we will be using it vertically. So come on, turn it. And first we will practice the kind of shapes we are going to use for making honeybee. First we will practice. So here this is sellotape circle. So those who are beginners and those who don't know even how to draw a circle, for them I strongly recommend this ring kind of object. Okay, and we will practice till you are able to make it independently. So chalo, let's practice. So the paper on which you're going to make your artwork, on back side of it, let's start practicing. So you will keep your circle this way. With one hand you will hold it tight and you will move your pencil. Come on, do this. Again, let's practice. And this is practice. So after practicing the strokes we are going to use, the lines we are going to use, the shapes we are going to use for making honeybee, we will practice it first and then we will go for final artwork. So for practicing, you can either take any rough page or the back, one side you can practice and one side you can make our final artwork. So this way the whole paper will be utilized. Come on, again, draw circle 3 to 4 times so that you will learn how to draw it. So the very first step we are going to shape we will be using is circle. Come on, make circle 3 to 4 times and practice till you are able to handle your circle independently. And for beginners, ring kind of object is best. Okay, come on, practice it. We will practice all the strokes we are going to use for making our honeybee. Okay, then we will make our final artwork. And different insects, different animals, wild animals, domestic animals, and like amphibian animals and amphibian creatures like frog. So I will try to cover up all these things. And even I keep watch like pre-junior batch, what kind of things, what kind of diagrams they need. And so keeping them in mind, I'm planning my syllabus, modes of transport. And so you will see I've covered up it. And if you have it, kindly visit our Arjo shop. And I keep covering it up on regular basis. Okay? Have you done with circles? Come on. Hold your circle with one hand and with another hand, just draw a circle. Come on, do this many times. and use sellotape circle. If you're not using sellotape circle, then you can use any other object also. And any other object also you can use, but it should be this much big. Don't take a small, tiny circle. Otherwise, your whole honeybee will look very small. Okay? Done? Yes? Practice of circle is done. Show your thumbs up. Every time, thumbs up with smile. Okay? Whenever you will be showing thumbs up, you should have a bright smile. Yes. Now we will come on second step, and that is tendrils. Antennas kind of tendril we will make. So letter J on both the side. J for jug. Come on, practice. J for jug. These are tendrils. We can call it in antennas, because of which these are given. Because of this, these are natural signals actually, and because of this kind of signals, which all birds and honeybees they have, and in like God already created them. That's why they are able to return back to their nest. Like you must have seen all the insects, all the birds, and all other creatures. They wake up with one first ray of sun, and evening time they go to bed. They are not used to of as we do late night parties and we keep awakened till late night. And this is against the rule of nature actually. But all birds, insects, animals, they are still following the rule of nature. Okay? So evening time when the sun set, they also sleep. And with the first ray when sun rise, they wake up and start doing work. Okay? So we will practice this. Now our next step is going to be D. We are going to use letter D for smile. Come on, make a line and mark 2 points. D. D for determination. Today, a beautiful story is also waiting for you. So, 2 points, mark a point, and C. Come on, let's practice. This we will be using for making smile. ठीक है, तो letter D is of great help. ठीक है, D for making smile. And in this we will write 3. 3. ठीक है? So this ways we are going to make a smile. Come on, all of you, practice this until you are able to make it perfectly. You will keep practicing till the time. Can I check your practice paper? Will you please lift up your files and show? Shabash. It's going perfect. Very good. Now our next step is going to be U. So you will write big U, one this side, one this side. And now this is going to be wings, U. Let your stroke overlap, because this is just a practice paper. Acha, for making drawing, what kind of pencil you will use? Your regular pencil, which you are using for writing. There is no specific pencil for drawing or sketching part. And always keep your pencil blunt. Don't sharpen your pencil before drawing class. Acha, tell me, show your thumbs up. How many of you are attending our class for the first time today? Okay, so I'm so happy that now you're also part of our family. Welcome to our family, all students, those who are new and attending our class for the first time. You're welcome to our Agio family. And now Yes, again, U, U. These are going to be the basic shapes for making our honeybee. You will see we will use very simple techniques. But like the creature who create a web, so we learn spider in a very simple way so that if you have this in diagram, you can draw easily. So will you show your practice paper? I want to check it once. Okay, many students want me to wait for 1 minute. ठीक है, I'll take a pause of 1 minute. ठीक है, practice. Practice. I'll take a pause of 1 minute. Hopefully, you all must have done. I want to check it now, and then we will switch on to our final artwork. Will you please show how it turned up? How you all practiced? Very good. Nicely. Now, you will turn your paper, and here we will be making drawing. ठीक है, तो after practicing the basic strokes, now we will start with our wet work. So as I told you, always use blunt pencil. Why? Because the lines of blunt pencils are comparatively lighter and easy to erase. Like they will not leave any impression behind. Okay. So if by mistake you sharpen your pencil today, it's okay. But next class onwards, you will not sharpen your pencil. Okay. Hold, keep your pencil blunt and regular pencil, and all will be making drawing with pencil. You will not use pencil colors. You will not use sketch pen. You will not use brush pens. You will use pencil. So, chalo, let's get started. But the first thing, you will mark a center. Don't worry if your center is slightly upper side, lower side, left or right side. It's absolutely fine. Mark a center and keep your circle here, almost in upper side of center. Leave little space because we are supposed to make tendrils also. So you will leave enough space for making tendrils. Okay? So here you are going to make and try to keep your circle in center. And because both the side, the wings will also come. Hold it tight and draw. We practiced it before, so we know how to draw it. Okay? So this is the way you will start with a circle. I'm going to teach you the simplest way of making honeybee, okay, with some shapes which we practiced. And this is the story of a girl. The name of this girl in our story is Gauri. Okay, Gauri is a student of class third. In our story, she is student of class third. And what happened now? Like before holidays, summer holidays, like ma'am started one chapter. This chapter was in EVS, environmental studies. Okay, take eraser and erase the center point. I'm using A4 size paper, okay, for pre-junior and junior batches. I prefer using A4 size paper, okay? Yes, done, everyone? Now, yes. Now, after this, we will make the basic structure. Always start your drawing with basic structure. So first we will make the structure and then we will come on detailing. So what you will do, you will mark 1 point here, 1 point here. You must be thinking why ma'am is marking points first and then making lines. See, because of these points, you will get clear next instructions that from which line your next line will start. Okay. And when more ways like these points are going to help you, because we are taking points before making our lines, Hannah, you will not forget the artwork easily. These points are like anchor points and they get fixed in your mind and help you memorizing the artwork. Draw a small diagonal line, and don't forget to mark last point also. Okay? So here you can see we are going to, I think little more closer view will help you. Okay? So I will go for little more closer view. Yeah. Okay? So what I did, I will revise. I draw a circle, then I mark 2 points, I draw, and don't use scale for making these small lines. Okay? Draw it freehand. So I will start with my story. So before summer holidays, and our teacher started a chapter of EVS. So it was last day of school, and ma'am was teaching this. So ma'am told that these days, like sparrows and honeybees, they are disappearing, like gradually and continuously to a great level, like a great number, large number of sparrows and birds and honeybees. They are like it's decreasing. है ना तो where those sparrows have gone, countless sparrows, lakhs of sparrows, we were able to see sparrows all around. Sparrow is a small tiny bird of brown color, but you will be surprised, my dear children, that today we are able to see hardly single sparrow. So where those countless sparrows have gone, we are least bothered about. So the same thing was taught in this chapter. Now what you will do, you will leave little space and you will mark a line. Come on, mark a line. And don't forget to make 2 points. Now, actually, what we are going to do, we need to write U from here, but making a big U could be challenging for children. So, what we will do, we will divide that U in steps, 3 steps. So, what will happen? It will become very easy for you to complete. Okay? So, chalo, let's write U, a big U. So, what I will do, I will simply, and same here. Can you see it's a big U? But I simply half I made here, half I made here, and I decided before. And now see the shape is so perfect, so perfect. And so this is the way with small steps you will start. You should develop your work. And at the place of making one big shape directly, and divide it in small steps, and it will come perfectly, and it will be easy to remember. And with this technique, you will be able to make technical shapes also, difficult shapes also. Okay. So today, like ma'am started the chapter, and ma'am started telling that today, like continuously, honeybees and sparrows, and they are decreasing in number. They are disappeared. Where they have gone, we don't know. And finally, the bell goes, and ma'am told that okay, enjoy your summer holidays. After summer holidays, we'll complete our chapter. But ma'am told this, but Gauri wanted to know where those sparrows have gone, why honeybees are getting disappeared, what is happening with them. Like this great thought was there in mind of Gauri. Okay, chalo, now you will draw a V. We have 2 points, 1 and 2. Draw a V. Okay, V for making its we will complete the shape. Okay, and now we are going to write C 4 times on equal distance. Okay, we will write C 4 times. So Gauri, when final, like the school got over, everyone was looking super excited, happy. They were having their plannings. I will sleep a lot. There is no headache of waking up early morning. And I will watch lots of TV. I will do this. I will do this. I will visit this place. So they all were having some planning for summer holidays. But Gauri alone was having a thought that where those sparrows have gone. Like she wanted to know that what affected them, that the sparrows we were able to see everywhere and they were making nests everywhere. We used to be fed up of those nests, and today hardly one sparrow is visible. So what happened with those sparrows? She wanted to know, because in our story, Gauri is a nature lover and a child of class third, and very young, very small in age. Okay. Can I check the work? Will you please lift up files and show? Shabash, very good, my dear children. You all are doing great, and this all is because of your devotion and your attentiveness. You are listening to the instructions so well and implementing perfectly. Very good, my dear children. Now we will write C. So this point and this point we have now. Write C and equal distance. You can mark equal distance if you want. And 4 times you will write C. Okay, if you are finding it difficult to write C, you can make straight line also, but I think making a curved line won't be difficult for you. Okay, so this is going to be body. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times I write C. So you will write letter C, alphabet C, okay, inside. You can make straight lines also. Those who feel that making C is challenging, make straight lines. That will also work. Okay. So after like all were very happy, and it was a big like time of 2 months. After 2 months, was schools were supposed to be get reopened. So Gauri returned back, and after eating, after taking lunch, after doing little rest, evening time, the very first thing Gauri told Mama, please explain this chapter. I want to know where those sparrows have gone. What happened to honeybees? Why they are disappearing? Why their number is continuously getting decreased? I want to know it. I'm worried about it because Gauri love nature, each creature for me. And not only Gauri, all children, they are very kind-hearted. They want all the creature of nature to be happy. And they always wish that they should have abundant of food, very good place to make their home. Hannah, how many of you wish so? You also want na, that all creatures should have enough food, enough place to live. All children, they are kind-hearted. They want to live with nature. But when we grow, then what happens? We turn greedy and we are least bothered about all these things. It happens. It's a reality. Okay. So now what you will do, you will mark a point center. But before this, I want to check the work. Will you please lift up files and show me one more time? Shabash. Perfect. Now what you will do? We want a circle which can go little out. So you will make a circle which can go little out of it. I will draw and show. It will give you a clear idea. See, like I took this color. If you're using sellotape circle, then this color bottle will help you. Or you can take it. See, your circle should go little out. You will take this much big circle that it should go little out. If you're not finding perfect circle, then you can simply make this circle freehand. And you can make it freehand also. So here you can see, I will simply make it this way. 8. It is a big number 8. And big eyes always enhance beauty. I told you before. I had to make big eyes and a round shape, big eyes, and you will find it's very good impact on your artwork. Okay? So I will return back to my story. So Mama explained, ki, yeah, Gauri, I know. But this is something which we need to think about very seriously. And Mama started saying that all birds, all uh, this kind of insects, they have a natural signal. And they have tendrils overhead, and birds, they also have that signal in their brain. God fixed it because God is knowing that they need the signal to return back to their home. Honeybee, like how many of you have ever tasted honey? Show your thumbs up. You know how much hard work honeybee is doing? Acha, one more thing I forgot to tell you in the beginning. Be hardworking. And be hardworking. Suppose a topic of this kind you're getting. So you can show that topic with help of any creature which symbolize hard work. Like honeybee is very famous for hard work. So if this kind of topic you are getting, so you can make honeybee. Focused, be focused. So you can make sunflower. You can make heron also. Take eraser and erase this line. Erasing unwanted lines is very important. As my pencil is blunt, you can see I'm able to erase my all the lines neatly without much efforts. Okay? So the lines which are coming in circle, you will erase. Okay? And you're going to make, if you want to make one more circle inside, you can. Okay? So a big circle, then small circle, and again a circle. 3 circles inside each other. Okay? So these are going to be big, beautiful eyes. So Mama started explaining that God fixed it. And all the creatures, and they fly, those who can fly, they have this signal because they have to go miles and miles away in search of water, food, and when the season come when they want to make their nests, and at that time they want twigs, so they go very far from their home. But the moment sunset, they return back to their home. Okay, and for that they use that natural signal which God fixed in their minds. And Mama was explaining this all to Gauri. And with help of this story, I want to explain this to you. And my dear children, please listen to this story very carefully because here the question come how we can save them and what actions you need to take. Okay? Now in between of these two eyes, you will make a line. We practiced it before. Smile. 2 points. Okay? Yes, letter D. So you will make a sleeping line. If you remember, see, and this is going to be smile. So we will make the same, but don't try to rush, you will not try to make it before me. Try to be in rhythm, okay? And you will mark a point also. Now see what is happening. We know my line will start from this point, it will reach here, it will finish here. And also when you use points, when you pre-decide your lines, what happened? It minimizes the use of eraser. It should never be used for erasing the lines. It will reach here, it will finish here. Come on, draw a C. And as and two diagonals. Right. This is the space of the body is like we work and then we add detailing. We will make 2 tendrils also, then we will come on wings. Okay. And there are so many things we will add directly with help of colors. And a few things you will learn that when you are able to add a few things directly with colors, it not only saves your time, but you are able to work much more on detailing. Okay. And as our students are following all the instructions which you are guiding them right from pre-junior batch, our students are reporting victories after victories, not on class level competition, but inter-school, interstate, inter-zonal level, national level, and even international level. And so this is all because right from pre-junior batch, we are training them what is complete atom. Now in middle of two eyes, we have this space here. You will J, we plan for really make this way, you write letter J. Let's quickly make wings and then we will come on second step. So this is our very first step when you're making drawing and you will use pencil, blunt pencil, okay? Don't use sketch pen, pencil color or brush pen for this. You can see like in our drawing, we keep erasing so many lines, like which overlaps. And this is the correct way of developing your artwork, okay? Can I check the work? Then we will move ahead. Will you please lift up files and show? Shabash, it's so lovely, amazing. So here I'm making one but honeybee. But if you feel that I want to make babies also, so after class or on another page you can make. Now decide a point. 1 point here and one on last C. See, this is last C now here. 1 point here, 1 point here. Same here. And now we will quickly make wings and then we will move ahead with our coloring. Okay? So these are 2 points. Here also, you will mark a point diagonal. you will mark a point diagonal. Again, mark last point. We will mark it before. Now we will decide how much big wings we want to make. I want to make this much. Honey, you will not make wings very big because honeybees' wings are not very big. So what happened now when Mama was explaining? So as like these days all around, we have internet connections in our phones, in our mobiles, in our laptops. So lots of internet towers, internet like establishments, they are established and there is a big network of network and a big net of network, with web of network. And what happened when honeybees, they wake up early morning, they leave their home and go in search of honey. Can you imagine like honeybee is going miles away in jungle and she's not having any bucket, any basket to collect it. In mouth only, she's collecting a drop of honey, and then miles back, she's coming back and she's putting that drop in honey beehive. Then she's going again in jungle. Then she's getting one drop and she's depositing. Can you see the hard work of honeybee? So and but now what is happening? Okay, now what you will do? These 2 points we have now. Connect it here, connect it here, upper point, connect it here, C. And here also you will make a C. Okay, so this is the way you will make wings, which is little flat here. And you can make it U-shaped also. We simply break it down in 3 steps so that you can easily do this. And we will make a sleeping line. Okay? So I will return back to it. And the Gauri was listening all this carefully. Like Gauri was not knowing that this is happening all around in nature. That's why when we study, we are aware what is happening around. So Gauri was feeling so bad. And so honeybees are not able to return back. Gauri asked. Mama said, yes. They're going away, miles away in search of honey. But when they want to return back to their home, they get confused because of heavy web of internet connection all around. So there, their antennas stop working. They get confused. They lost their ways. And this kind of insects, this kind of birds, if they won't be able to return back to their home, they won't be able to survive. And that's why lakhs and crores of honeybees, they are losing their lives on daily basis. Gauri was feeling very bad. And what about birds? Gauri asked with curiosity, what happened with birds? What happened with sparrow, Mama? Please tell me, Mama. What Ma'am was telling that today we are not able to see even a single sparrow. So where those countless sparrows have gone? Make diagonal lines. 3 diagonal lines are enough. 1, 2, 3. Okay, same here. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines are enough. Okay. And your honeybee is ready. See how simple with few simple steps we completed. Okay, so our very first step, that is making drawing with pencil, is over. Okay, our first step is over now. And now you need a thick pen. You can take your thick brush pen. You can take brush pen or thick sketch pen, and you will start moving it all over on each and every it completely outlines will get. So Gauri was listening all this. What happened with sparrow? So Mama started explaining. Same happened with sparrows. And as sparrows, they love to make their nest on native plants and native trees. But these days, we don't want to grow native trees. And we want to grow ornamental trees where sparrow is not finding insects, not finding berries. And besides this, like these days, everything is packed. All drainage, they are completely underground. Rivers are completely dry. Water ponds are completely dry. And during summers, They are not finding water to drink. Can you imagine about you are extremely thirsty and you are not finding water anywhere? Can you imagine this situation? Same is happening with all these birds. And finally, they are disappeared. Many of them die. Many of them are not finding proper place for giving eggs and making their nest. They are not having enough insects because the baby of sparrows, they eat a lots of insects need, and for that native trees and lots of green is needed, lots of trees and plants are needed. As we are cutting jungles, we are cleaning greens, we are not growing plants and we are not growing trees. That's why sparrows are disappearing. They have no food available, they have no water available. How will they be able to survive? And listening all this, Gauri become very, very sad. And we, because of us, this all is happening with all these innocent creatures. Gauri was feeling very bad. What is the solution? Now Gauri asked. Mama said, solution is very easy. We need to grow countless plants, countless trees. We need to add the number of leaves. And then what will happen? They will find, like, if we will grow trees, native trees all around, so honeybees will also find honey very close. They will not have to go very far. You know? And even all the birds, they will find wonderful place to make their nest. They will find lots of berries, they will find lots of insects, because when berries will grow, trees will be there, the insects would also come. It's a food chain. So Gauri decided, okay mama. And before going to bed, Gauri told Mama, well, what time you wake up in morning? Mama told, I wake up at 5. Gauri requested, please, tomorrow, please make me awakened. I want to wake up at 5. Mama was surprised that Gauri during holidays time, like before 10 a.m., she never wake up. Why she want to wake up early morning? But as she told and reminded continuously, Mama told, okay, I will wake you up. Can I see the work? This is second step. Our first step is making drawing with pencil. Second step is giving outline with black sketch pen. Okay? And with black, you will complete this also. Let's complete this also. You can use brush pen also for this. With brush pen, you will be able to do it more easily. So you can use brush pen for this part. Okay? So next morning when Mama wake up, Mama told Gauri, you told me, na? Come on, wake up. And Gauri, like always, used to say, Mama, let me sleep for a little more time. But today, like Gauri immediately wake up and collected some earthen pots she was having at home available. Just a minute, dark black color we need. Okay. Don't use gray type of color. Take dark color. Okay. So first layer you will not do, and this I will do with black. So I'm using my brush pen for this, and you will make it dark. And then only, and don't leave any white space in between. Nicely, properly, you will do this. So this is the way you will complete black here on it. Okay, I will take a pause of 2 to 3 minutes so that you all could finish this much, and then we will move ahead. So our first step is making drawing with pencil. Second step is giving outlines with sketch pen. Come on, do this. I will wait for all of you. And by the time when you all are giving outlines, let's discuss about what is best color medium for you and what color mediums you should not use. But what color medium you will not use? Pencil colors don't use because they are dull, they are lifeless. Don't use wax crayons also. They have lots of wax. Output is very sticky, very uneven. Don't use oil pastels also because they are very oily and they spread a lot and end up with mess up. The best color medium I strongly recommend is plastic crayons and brush pens. Okay. These are two very, like I strongly recommend these two color mediums. So always use brush pens and plastic crayons. And selection of perfect color medium is having a great impact on your artwork. Okay? So see, can I check the work? Will you please lift up files and show? Yes, very good. It's so lovely. You know, na, in the end of class, you will get clappings. And if your work will be average, you will get 3 clappings. Above average, you will get 6 clappings. And if your work would be excellent, you will get 9 clappings. Chalo now. So our first step is making drawing with pencil. Second step is giving outlines. Third step is erasing. Take eraser. And if you can see some unwanted lines of pencil, and if you can see some unwanted lines of pencil, clean it. And you will erase carefully. You will not erase carelessly, otherwise your paper will tear. And now you will take your yellow, you will take your pink, dark pink, light pink, light and dark, both pinks you will take. And yes, we will complete. Chalo, let's complete this. You can make your tongue with, so this light pink color I will use for making inner portion, this inner portion, and dark pink I will use for making tongue. If you want to use red for making tongue, you can use that. Brush pens, you should immediately put cap. Okay, if you will keep it like you will not put cap, then what will happen? Your ink will get dry. So immediately put cap, and after class, you will wind up your table. You will keep everything at proper place. And now we are going to use yellow. Okay, yellow we will use for making face and remaining part of body. Blue we will use for this. Okay. Now, how to use brush pen? So first you will use take out your yellow and you will move with outlines all around. With brush pen, you should give outlines first. Okay, so you will nicely and dark yellow color you will do. Okay, so see very nicely. You will give outlines. You can keep turning your paper as this is a round shape. So you can turn your paper. It will become easy for you. Okay. See, so first I gave outlines. All of you give outlines. Then I will show how will you move your color. After giving outlines, you will move your color from one corner this way. Standing in one direction. In one direction, you will move your color. And this is the way you will complete your one direction. You will not change direction. And brush pen, you don't need to pressurize your color. And without pressure, you will do, and no white space should be left. It should be colored nicely. And immediately after using, you will put its cap here. You will go this ways. And here also. So we will finish body with yellow color. So next morning, Gauri wake up and she collected some earthen pots with help of mama, and she kept water and little grain for sparrows. And these were, as I told you, these were summer holidays. So she started collecting seeds, mangoes, jamuns, berries, and whatever fruit was coming, and decided to grow countless trees where birds can come, live happily, and honeybees will get lots of honey, and like this ways the nature could be happy, and all the creatures, who are suffering because of mistake of human, for to decided to do that. Come on, finish it this ways, and we are using brush pens. Okay, finish it. And now for wings, I will use plastic crayons. Okay. So we will use plastic crayons for making feathers. And I will be using sky blue color for this. So now we will learn how to hold your color, how to move your color, and what mistakes students do, what mistake you will not do. Everything we will learn about, and it's very simple. And using plastic crayon, it's very simple. So this ways, like Gauri decided every day she will wake up early morning. She will keep food, water for birds, and she was more than happy to see that once, like few birds came and started drinking water and eating that grain which was kept, and they were chirping joyfully. They started chirping in a very strange voice, and then another birds also came. Different kind of birds came and from a window, like Gauri was observing all this and was feeling so happy that so many birds they are coming and they are eating food, they have water, and Gauri was taking good care that water should be available in earthen pot every time on terrace. No bird should remain thirsty if it reached to their terrace. Okay. Can I check the work? Will you please lift the files and show me? Shabash. Very good. Very nice. Now take out your sky blue color, plastic crayon. Come on. Take out your sky blue color. Hold your color the way you hold your pencil. जैसे आप pencil को पकड़ते हैं ना, बिल्कुल वैसे color को पकड़ लो. Always start your color from a corner. Never start your coloring from center. So I will start my color from this corner. How to move your color? You will move your color with small, small strokes, no big strokes. And you will repeat every stroke 4 times. Can you see? I'm repeating every stroke 4 times. Okay, so always start, the very first thing you will keep in mind, start your coloring from a corner. Move your color with small strokes, no big strokes. When you move your color with small strokes, colors are completely in your control and command. They will not go out of outlines. Okay? And repeat every stroke 4 times. Other mistakes students do, they put lots of pressure on their colors. Don't put pressure on your color, but repeat every stroke 4 times. When you will repeat every stroke 4 times, you will find very bright and beautiful effect. And very important, don't change direction. You will keep moving in one direction and try to reach to corner. It should never be like in a hurry you are doing colors and corners are left white. No. Your color should reach to every corner. Okay, so what steps you will follow? Start your colors from a corner. Move your color with small strokes. Repeat every stroke 4 times. Don't change direction. Don't pressurize your color. Try to reach to every corner and finish your coloring. Hold your color the way you hold your pencil. Okay, so this is the way you will complete your wings. See how simple. As we are not changing direction, you know, we have gone for with small strokes. See, the coloring is looking so neat and refined. If I would have changed the directions continuously and big strokes, so it would be looking very untidy. You know, this is the way you need to finish. You must be thinking now drawing is over, butterfly is done. Tell me how many of you think that drawing is over? Thumbs up for yes, thumb down for no. How many of you are saying no? And how many of you are saying yes? Correct answer. This is not a complete artwork. Very good. You will get extra clapping for this. है ना? Because right now you can see, you can look at smile of this honeybee. Now you're going to see one magic. And you will see this honeybee will become more happy. Like with few things, with few magic we will do around. And in the end, like you will see that now this honeybee is extremely happy. And with what ways we are going to add this magic, you will see now. Okay? Come on. Done, everyone? Yes. Now your background. See, your background should never be left white. Your background should have some colors, and background colors should be lighter than your main colors. Okay, your main color should be dark, but your background color should be soft, very silky. So come on, find out some colors. So you will find out. Take out yellow. Come on, yellow color. You can take deep yellow. Take out blue, sky blue. Take out pink. take out yellow ochre to show soil. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to give a sun, sky and ground to our honeybee. And honeybee want place, proper surroundings, proper environment to live in. है ना? तो right now she's having nothing. And that's why the smile is okay, not very bright. But the moment you will start doing this, she will look more happy. Okay? So now take out these colors and the very first color is yellow. Keep this in corner. You will not hold it like this. Now you're going to keep it horizontally. Okay, come on, do this. Now hold it tight. Hold it tight from here. Hold it tight from here. Now you will press it down. And press it down and drag. Small, small drag. And fill the corner very carefully. Okay, very carefully you will do this. And that's why I strongly recommend thick paper. And in thick paper, all these techniques are quite easy to do. Don't change direction, no big strokes. If you will go for big strokes, so what will happen? You will lose grip over color. Small, small drag. And repeat it 4 times. And this is going to be what? This is sun. So with help of colors, like we can do this. And now we save the time of making drawing, then outlines. We simply put yellow and this is sun. And now our honeybee is having sunlight. Okay? And don't worry, honeybee, we are going to give you sky also. You will keep your blue and you can drag standing direction or sleeping. As you wish, I think standing will be a little easy for you. Same technique. And when you will keep color horizontally and you will drag, you will see that you will find very soft and very even background. You will not go in body. You will move on side only. Okay? So see, I'm simply making blue sky. I want to add little pink also. So I will, upper side, I will do this way. I will take a pause. Okay? Don't worry. So initially you will feel that you are not able to grip it properly. But with very little practice, you will find proper command over. And a little practice is needed. And this is very important way of doing colors. Because with this color, in no time, you will find soft, silky background in no time. And so what you will do, you will keep color horizontally, you will hold it tight, press it down and drag, small, small drag. Patience, okay? With patience you will do. You will not use brush pens for giving background. Avoid using brush pens, okay? Okay, now you're going to take pink. You will take pink now. Take a, come on, all of you do this. I will take a pause of 2 minutes. So very softly you will, this background color is very, very important, my dear children. You can't avoid it, you know, because it add more colors, more creativity, more meaning to your artwork. Your drawing will look more happy, more eye-catchy. And this is very important and essential part of your drawing. And without this, your drawing will be considered incomplete. And that's why right from pre-junior batch, we are training our children what is complete work. This background color is called wash. Okay? We call it wash. Pink, we can take pink. Again, you will not go in face, you will not go in wings. You will simply keep it moving on side. Few colors in background. See, pink. So I will be doing this ways. So you can see butterflies, this honeybee is looking so happy because now she is having, it is having like sun, it is having soil, that is ground, you know, and sky. So when you will return back, it's a neat, beautiful nature, you know, it will be happy. They want nothing else but a proper place to live, food to eat, and safe condition to live in. See, so can you see with the moment we add some very soft colors in background, our drawing is looking so beautiful. Don't forget to add some birds. For making birds, M. Can you see with few M, your sky is looking so creative and beautiful? M. And it will add detailing and write M directly. Now, few things you will add directly with help of colors. What will happen then? It will save your time. Very first thing, it will save your time. And secondly, they will add detailing, beauty, creativity to your artwork. With paintbrush, you will go for things which are easy to manage. You will not try difficult things directly with colors. Okay. So now we are going to add some beautiful flowers and grass. Okay, and you will see the moment we will go for it, our drawing will look extremely beautiful and happy. Flowers, you can try any color of your choice. Okay, and now green. You will take help of brush pen. When we use more than one color medium, it is called mixed media. I think full view is needed now. So I will give you full view now. This is full view. Okay. Now we will take green and some colors for making flowers. Okay. And this is the simplest element. You will see it will change the life of the drawing. You will open your green brush pen, draw one down to up. On both the side where we have space, you can go for bigger one. And in front, you will go for smaller. And very close. One, it could be little curved, it could be diagonal, small, big. This is grass. And the moment you will add grass, butterfly will be very happy because here is lots of wild flowers are growing and she is having lots of honey. This natural and native plants, they have great role for these all birds and all. Like birds, and they have a very small brain. Like if birds are using particular grass for making their nest, and if that grass will disappear, so they don't have this much big developed brain that I shall try some other thing for making this. If that grass will disappear, which they are using for making nest, so they will also disappear. They will stop making their nest. And so we are supposed to take care that nothing should get disturbed so that their lives and their families could disturb. So we are supposed to take charge of it as Gauri took. Tell me, how many of you are also going to take charge of all these creatures around? How many of you are going to grow trees? See, on your birthday, on your every birthday, on your mom, dad's anniversary, on special days, grow a plant of a tree. On your birthday, gift a plant as a return gift. On Teacher's Day, gift a plant, not a card, gift a plant. And slowly, what will happen? It will become trend, and we will be having more trees around. Okay, so I will use some colors for making beautiful. See, I can use any other color also, pink and other. You will make tiny, tiny wild flowers. Circle, because this is again something which you can do directly with brush pen. The things which you are making directly with colors, they should be simple. Don't try difficult things. If you will try to make something technical, it can even spoil your work. So the things which are very simple, you can manage with this, only that you will be making it with it. Okay. So see here, I used two colors. You can make it multiple colored. Red color you can try. And a red is again a beautiful color. We can try red also. I'm using these two colors and some tiny dots. Can you see? Look at butterfly now. Sorry, not butterfly, honeybee. Look at honeybee. Can you see how happy this honeybee is now? Earlier, it was not that happy. But now honeybee is so happy because honeybee knows that my little children, they grew grass for me. They made clean sky for me. They are going to save me. Are we going to save all these creatures? Show your thumbs up, and those who are determined, they will show two thumbs ups. Yes. Okay. So now we will have to take charge. Because you have that heart that all the creatures, they should be happy. है ना? Small children, they are very kind to nature. ठीक है, तो see, this is the way, and you can show tiny, tiny drops, and the petals are flying in sky. Few, no, don't make too many. Few only, ठीक है? And this is a complete artwork. When everything you will make neatly, few drops, and these are petals flying in sky. This is your complete work. And you see that ordinary honeybee is looking so special with all the creatures. And we add few things directly with colors. If you add few things directly with uh, plastic crayons and a sky, and this we use colors in background, and this is your complete artwork. So today we learn what we need to do. It's already too late. We destroy nature to that level that countless species, they are endangered. You will learn this in your studies also. Countless animals, birds, insects, and even plants, medicinal, those who were having medicinal value, they have disappeared. Now, whatever we have, it's time to take care of it. Okay? And it will happen when we will revive nature. We will save it. Enough? Now, time to clap. Will you show your work? Then you can continue. I will start clapping for you. Yes. Oh my God, it's so lovely. So beautiful. Please do share it after class in your hands with your name, okay, and with your smile. So come on, let's get started with clappings. So 9 clappings, excellent clappings for drawing. 1. Come on, clap with me. You win, you earn these clappings with your hard work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many marks for colors? Full marks, 5 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And today you win 3 star clappings, 3 bonus clappings. Oh my God. So many clappings you win today. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations for so many clappings you win. Hopefully, you all must have enjoyed today's class and today's story. If yes, show me your thumbs up with Badi Wali smile. You all did excellent work. Please don't forget to share it on WhatsApp. Okay? Take care. Bye bye and go green.